You searched how to buy shares of Royal Gold Inc. This company focuses on precious metals, royalties, and trades on NASDAQ under the ticker RGLD, and this video is for educational purposes only, not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker, and I'll use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you must verify your account with an ID document and add funds before you can place an order. Use the platform's search bar and type the ticker RGLD to find Royal Gold Inc. Select the matching NASDAQ listing to open the correct stock page. On the stock page, review the company description and the price chart to confirm it's the right asset. Make sure the ticker shown is RGLD and the exchange is NASDAQ. Click Invest or Trade, enter the amount you want to purchase, then carefully review and confirm the order before submitting. If the market is closed, your order may queue for the next session. And if you don't have enough funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. After execution, your position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. A link to eToro is in the description if you want to visit the platform.